Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to switch between overlay and main track views in Canva? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the timeline view in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Then select video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Choose a template to continue. You can also open an existing project if you already have one. For this tutorial, I'll use a YouTube video template. Once the video editor opens, look below the timeline. You'll see the overlay icon. Tap overlay. The timeline will become smaller, making it easier to work with overlay tracks. The overlay button will now change to main track. To return to the original timeline view, tap main track. The timeline will switch back to the standard view. You can switch between overlay and main track at any time while editing your video. And that's how to switch between overlay and main track views in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.